Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing an amazing plant called Erysimum, also known as wallflowers. Erysimum is a beautiful flowering plant that comes from Europe. They're called wallflowers because they naturally grow in cracks of old walls and rocky places. But don't worry, they also grow very well in pots and gardens. They're loved for three main reasons: beautiful colors, sweet fragrance, and a very long flowering season. They belong to the cabbage family, and they are strong, hardy flowering plants. Wallflowers bloom in clusters of small flowers. You can find them in colors like yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, and even mixed shades. They're also great for attracting a lot of bees and pollinators in the garden. If you are looking for a flowering plant that is beautiful, fragrant, and easy to grow, wallflower is a great choice. Now, this plant in my location is not at all popular. In fact, I'm growing them first time in my garden, and I am in love with this plant. And the reason is their perfume. They have absolutely amazing fragrance that you can get all day long. Every time I go near them, I can smell it and it is just amazing. Plus, the flowers are gorgeous and they're literally carefree plants. They can be annuals or perennials depending on the location and variety. We grow them here in the winter-spring season. If you are from a colder region, you can grow them in the spring-summer time. They love full sunlight. Give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to get maximum flowers. They can tolerate heat very well and they're very drought-tolerant plants. They don't do well if they get a lot of shade. If the weather is very hot, then you can give them afternoon shade for best results. You can get seeds to grow them. You can also grow them from cuttings. I was able to get these tiny little plants from a nursery, and this is how I've grown them. As for potting media, they prefer a soil that is well draining, which dries quickly. They can tolerate dry soil, but not wet soil, so don't use heavy clay soil and have good drainage system. They can easily grow in pots, and if you have a compact variety like mine, then you can grow 2 plants in an 8-inch pot. And after planting, they actually develop buds very soon, and they keep flowering for a long time throughout the season. Water them when they need it. Always check the soil before watering. Don't overwater them. Only water when the soil feels dry. The mature plants are quite hardy and drought tolerant. They actually don't need a lot of fertilizing to bloom well. I did apply a little bone dust and compost just once, and I did give them an organic feed every 10 days during the growing period. You can actually get great flowers with very minimum fertilizing with this plant. When the flowers fade, deadhead them. You can cut the flowering stem back a little to encourage more branches and more flowers for a long time in the garden. You can also save some of the seeds for next season and grow them again. I have not seen any pest problems with this plant. They're quite pest resistant, so pest and disease is not a big problem for these plants. This is an amazing plant. I loved it, and I'm gonna be planting this again next season. If you haven't grown Arisimum, then definitely add them to your garden. I'm sure you will love them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I will see you next time. Bye.